Hello students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is Amit Soni, PGT English, Kendriya Vidyalaya Shahdol, and today in this video I am going to deal with poster writing, that is a part of short composition that comes in your question paper of English. It carries 4 marks. So let us see what is a poster. A poster, as you might know, that a poster is a placard displayed in public place. It is called a strong medium of spreading message, communication, creating awareness, and advertisement. So let's see in detail that what a poster is. A poster is a large notice announcing or advertising something. It generally creates social awareness about any problem or need. It also conveys a social message in an eye-catching way. So as I told you that it comes under short composition and it carries 4 marks. So first of all, let us see what these 4 marks are for. The first mark, the 1 mark, is for the format of the poster. 2 marks are for the content of the poster, and 1 more mark is for the expression and creativity. It also includes grammatical accuracy as well as spellings, because as it is a short composition, everything matters in this. So you should be very careful about your spellings as well as your grammar. In the format, you have to write title as well as the name of issuing authority and some other things that we will discuss in detail afterwards. Let us see first some examples first, so that we can have a glance what a poster is. See, as you can see here, that this poster indicates a social awareness to save Earth. Then this poster, it tells about some cultural gala that is to be done, an upcoming event that is there. So in this manner you can see that a poster creates social awareness, as well as it also tells about some future events or maybe some current problems or needs. There's one more example. In this example you can see it is again for a social awareness, and it says that save girl child, think a world without us. Now let us come to the purpose of poster writing. What should be the purpose of poster writing in the paper, or what is the main aspect of writing posters? So posters, as we have discussed already, that posters are needed to create awareness or spread education about any social evil or abuse. As the poster that you have seen just before, in that poster you have seen the appeal to save girl child. So it shows that it is for the creating awareness among the people that we should save girls. The second purpose that is discussed here is to aware people about issue related to current problem and need. Maybe some current problem is there, or suppose save water. You might have heard or seen so many posters of saving water. So that is also a poster only. The third purpose of poster is to spread any message of public interest, and the last one is for the promotion or the advertisement of any movie, show, business or product. Though these kind of posters come in the other category, that is called advertisement, and that is also not classified advertisement but display advertisement, that we will discuss in another video. So now here comes the main feature of a poster. The purpose of this video is to make you aware as well as accurate about writing poster. So let us see what are the main features of a poster. First of all, layout. Layout, you can see the outline of the poster and the things which are there in the poster. So first of all, a creative title. It is a very important part of poster that the title should be very catchy as well as appealing. It can be in the form of slogan or rhyming words. For example, speed thrills but kills. Pollution needs a solution. Green is clean. Means any kind of rhyming lines can be there. Then you can use matchstick figures for illustrations. For making your posters more clear or more attractive, you can also use illustrations. Illustrations mean simple sketches that can make the poster more appealing. These can be matchstick figures. Then proper spacing and proper proportionate heading and illustrations. Proper spacing should be there and the heading should clear the purpose of the poster. Date, time and venue must be mentioned in case of an event. As you have seen in the video earlier, there was a poster of some event and in that there was some specific date as well as time and venue was mentioned there. So in the same manner, if you are writing a poster about any event, then it should also specify date, time and venue of the event. A poster displays a message or an appeal to create awareness. The content should be organized in an appropriate style. Means the content that you are writing, first of all, it should not exceed 50 words because the word limit of writing a poster is 50 words only. So you should organize words in appropriate style only. Use appropriate expressions and correct language. The theme should be clear. The poster should be creative and related to the content and theme should not be vague. Means the things that you are mentioning inside the poster should not be useless. They should be on the basis of the topic only. Do not spend much time on illustrations. Writing language and expressions will only help you score better. It again says that you should not try to make more and more sketches in your poster because it kills time also. So you can just draw simple sketches and then the language and expressions that you use there, they only help you to score much more better marks in your poster. Then last but not least, name of issuing authority or the organization, which is a must. Means you must mention that which organization or the authority is releasing the poster. Then there are some more features of a poster. The things that we have discussed already, they are again in some different form. Layout, it should be visually attractive, eye-catching. Then title should be suggestive and catchy. The title that you write in that poster, it should be very much suggestive of the things that you are going to mention in the poster, as well as it should be very catchy or attractive. Use slogans, jingles or short words as the example was already given. Sketch or simple drawing or illustrations as I have told earlier. Letters of different size and shape. It also carries a good impression on the readers if you draw the letters of different size as well as shape, because it tells about the importance of things that you want to mention. Proportionate spacing is also a must. The content, the theme or the subject of the poster should be made clear in your poster. Description or detail associated with the theme. The description that you are giving in the poster, inside the poster, it should be associated with the theme. It should not be illogical. Essential details like date, time and venue must be mentioned. Name of issuing authority, organization. Then expression, phrases, slogans and persuasive language. Creativity in terms of content and design, oral organization and sequencing of the matter. Observe word limit. Means we have to follow word limit as well. Here is a format of a poster, though the format can be different also, because in some posters you might have seen that the name of the issuing authority it is in the end. But these things should be there. Though the format is not specific, it can be different also, because in some posters the name of issuing authority comes above the poster, or in some it comes at the end. So it can be anywhere in the box only, inside the box only, but it should be there. So the things which should be there are name of the issuing authority, tagline, title, name or event, exhibition, workshop, whatever, special attraction, then illustration with the caption, date and time and where, antifreeze if any, and other relevant information, and lastly contact information. Now let us see what these terms refer to, elaborating the terms used in the format. Issuing authority means by whom or by which organization the poster is being published. Who should be the issuing authority? Suppose Save Water is suppose a poster is there which tells about saving water. So it can be from the municipal corporation. Then the municipal corporation would be the issuing authority. Tagline of the event. It has to be accordance with the question. A catchy tagline for the occasion. It should be clearly visible. Thus it can be bold, underlined or in capital. Then title of the event. It should be short and as per the question. Special attraction. This is optional. For example, guest speaker. Suppose your poster is about some event, then you can have some special attraction like guest speakers or some specific person that you want to mention is coming to your event. Illustrations. It involves pictorial representation. For example, drop of blood for a blood donation camp. Date, time and venue. It is very important to mention date, time and venue of the event. It is a point you cannot risk forgetting if there is an event. Contact information. In case of any queries, the targeted audience should have someone to contact to. Other relevant information. If there is any other information mentioned in the question and is supposed to be there in the poster, it is important for you to mention it. Then let us come the points that we should remember while writing a poster. First of all, it should not strictly exceed the prescribed word limit of 50 words, because if you exceed the word limit, then your marks would be deducted. Then it should be in the box. After or maybe earlier also, when you start writing a poster, just put it in a box. Then make sure you double check for grammatical accuracy and spellings. Your grammatical errors should not be there, as well as the spelling errors should not be there, because they carry marks. Make sure it fits within one page only. The poster should not continue in another page of the copy. It should be completed in only one page. Use sharpened pencil. Why sharpened pencils? So that better effect can be created. Bold or underline important information. The information which are there, which is very essential and very important, it should be written in bold or it should be underlined. Then don'ts. What you should not do while writing a poster. No usage of short forms or slogans. It is not acceptable. You should not use short forms or any slangs like doctor ke liye DR. It is not acceptable. Don't exceed the prescribed word limit. Then use the same consonant sound repeatedly in a sentence. It is also the thing that you should not do. Beginning or ending a sentence with preposition. It should not also be done. Use of passive voice. It should also not be there. So let us see some more examples of poster. Here a poster is there for the cleanliness. You can see here that first of all the tagline is there, cleanliness is next to godliness. Then the title is there, keep your city clean. Then some more attractive lines are there, keep sewers and drains clean by not blocking them, inhale fresh air and be healthy. See, you can see here that some pictures are also there which are making the poster very much attractive, as well as the different fonts are used, as well as of different size of fonts are used. And at last there is also the issuing authority, that is Department of Environment, Municipal Corporation, Ludhiana. Here is another example with question. As the president of Leo Club of Templetown, prepare a poster on behalf of Lions Club and Leo Club for Diwali Mela to be held at Nehru Stadium, mentioning some of the attractions. So answer is there, you can see here. At first it comes the name of issuing authority. As I told you that it can be on the above part or on the lower part. One more example is there. Design a poster in not more than 50 words about the need of regular exercise. You may use slogans. So it also tells about the importance of regular exercise. The important thing that you might see or might catch here, that all the posters are in a box. Some more examples are there. I think now the poster writing is very much clear to you, and you would be able to write a poster in a good manner, and you are now be able to score good marks with your poster writing. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment in that video and ask about your doubts. I will surely answer your doubts. Thanks a lot.